become a complete mess. We felt like things with Shiba Inu are rather dry at the moment. My goodness, there was nothing else for the panelists to do after reviewing the on-chain data to sound the alarm. Nevertheless, the scenario is obviously quite surprising. However, what is really taking place? Okay, caveat emptor. Allow me to clarify. In the Shiba Inu universe, it is the most wonderful day of the year. An unidentified investor has shocked the world by making a whopping $3.2 million and making headlines all over the place. Over the course of 2.6 years, this amounts to a remarkable 200% return on investment. It wasn't until October 2021 that this investor dabbled in the Shiba Inu market. They spent approximately $1.68 million on 199 billion Shiba Inu tokens. Despite suffering an initial loss of $176,000, the investor remained committed, believing in the promise of Shiba Inu, and they worked with Coinbase and other decentralized exchanges. Shiba Inu's introduction in 2021 coincided with the bull market, which caused its value to skyrocket. But after that, in line with the market as a whole, the price fell sharply. This investor stuck with their Shiba Inu coins through thick and thin, demonstrating unwavering faith in their investing approach. Things really started to heat up when, as is well known, the price of Shiba Inu skyrocketed by 165% not long ago. The investor's decision to capitalize on this growth was astute. The investor chose to withdraw their funds after weathering the infamous volatility of the cryptocurrency market. With a new valuation of $4.88 million, they redeposited their Shiba Inu tokens into Coinbase. They saw a return on investment of 191%, or $3.2 million, thanks to this decision. Here we see a prototypical early investor who, despite numerous obstacles, clung to their tokens and saw the project through to completion. Their unwavering faith in Shiba Inu's potential and ability to thrive over the long haul has been instrumental in the breed's meteoric rise. The investor has previously stated that this is a promising indicator of the investment's long-term viability. The analysts are now wondering, what's the current situation with whales at Shiba Inu due to the unexpected movement of the whales? Do we need to be aware of any behind-the-scenes maneuvers? Considering how bad things are with the whales right now, this was surprisingly a brilliant idea. Data from Intade the Block shows that whale behavior has caused the cryptocurrency with a canine motif to have a huge increase of 1,590% in large holder inflows. The large holders inflow measure has seen a 1590% increase in the last 24 hours. This metric follows the money flowing into addresses owned by whales are big investors. In particular, on May 16th, the influx of Shiba Inu nearly quadrupled from 7 to 8 billion the previous day. There are usually two main explanations for this surge in significant holder inflows. To start with, it's a good indicator that a lot of people are buying stuff. Buying on centralized exchanges and then transferring to cold storage is a common practice for many whale addresses. Furthermore, such spikes may signal that prices have reached a bottom. Bulk purchases are typically preferred by whale addresses. As the price of Shiba Inu faces important resistance levels, both outcomes are possible after significant price corrections. This is crucial since the number of Shiba Inu sharks and whale addresses has been growing at a steady rate, reaching 4.35 trillion since the beginning. Since the last boom started in late February, there has been a considerable increase in the number of addresses owning 100,000 to 1 million Shiba Inu, as well as at least 1 billion tokens, according to data from a crypto behavior analytics resource called Sentiment. Keep in mind that the price of Shiba Inu began its ascent to unprecedented heights on February 26th, coinciding with the peak of the meme currency mania. On March 5th, the Shiba Inu reached a 27-month high of 1.5 trillion Shiba Inus, continuing its surge. Shiba Inu stock price soared to $1.50 trillion, a whopping 373% gain. When the rise started, the Shiba Inu sharks continued accumulation pattern. Those with 100,000 to 1 million Shiba Inus was already well underway. After the price of Shiba Inu plummeted in June 2023, this cluster of addresses began collecting tokens. A few pockets were able to take advantage of the price drop and keep buying well into the new year. After the price of Shiba Inu dropped and then rose again in late February, the Hawaiian campaign got even more steam. With the purchase of an extra 10 billion tokens on March 1st, these addresses now possess more than 100 billion Shiba Inu. While the rest of us rode out the recession, the whales, those with 1 billion Shiba Inus, didn't. Nevertheless, these wallets started their gathering campaign in late February, but the whale addresses that own 1 billion Shiba Inu or more missed out on the dip that occurred last year. But the accumulation push for these wallets started in late February. Inu, like Shiba, began to see significant price increases. On the other hand, as the Shiba Inu begins its road to recovery, it is an excellent inquiry. Why are these whales trying to drive up the price of Shiba Inus? A well-known expert named Davey has singled out Shiba Inus as an undervalued asset class with the potential to provide spectacular returns in the near and distant future. In light of his earlier hesitation to take into account forecast signals from Shiba Inu's price charts, Davey recently voiced this opinion in an XS article. His confession shows that he frequently disregarded Shiba Inu. On Wednesday, though, he decided to investigate the Shiba Inu's chart pattern and found a bullish configuration that could change all that. For Shiba Inus, Davey specifically mentioned that he saw a bullish pennant on their chart. Suddenly, it hit him Shiba Inus were hiding a potential treasure trove of money that he had been ignoring. If an asset's price forms a foolish pennant, it could mean that its recent upward trend will likely continue. In a strong uptrend, the price forms a little symmetrical triangle, consolidates for a while, and then breaks out to continue rising. Shiba Inu prices have been sharply declining since March, as shown in the accompanying figure. The pattern shows how the candlesticks converged after the Shiba Inu price spiked significantly, and now it seems like Shiba Inu is ready to start moving up again, just like before. Nonetheless, this positively encouraging news is merely the first step. Beyond that, though, an important transformation is about to be disclosed by the Shiba Inu development team. Everyone in the Shiba Inu community is quite excited about this announcement, so they are trying to guess what this change could involve. However, the big revelation is here. An intriguing change regarding the NFT project has been hinted at by the Shiba Inu ecosystem team's long-term collaborator, Welly Friends. The team recently highlighted the NFT update called Horizon expands in a post on X where this disclosure was made. The Welly Friends NFT collection is getting a facelift with this update, which features hand-drawn imagery instead of the prior 3D renderings. The Shiba Inu ecosystem team brought emphasis in their statement to X Paces. Session revelations made by the Welly Friends team. All of the Welly Friend NFTs seem to have been creatively rethought based on the details. It's worth noting that these NFT will be showcased in the new development, bringing attention to their distinct personalities and allure. Compared to the earlier designs in the collection, this is a huge change. Welly has not only improved the graphics but also added exciting stories and new experiences to the NFT collections. Users are invited to immerse themselves in a digital world brimming with imagination and narrative, elevating their NFT experience. Dog breed Shiba Inu. The evolution of the Welly Friends line is a reflection of the brand's actual commercial success, especially in light of the expansion of its fast food outlets. By fusing digital art with real-world commercial aspects, Welly hopes to show that an F's potential extends beyond the blockchain sector. As a result of all this news, the Shiba Inu trading volume has soared to $155 million, which is very remarkable considering that the revised collection is intended to appeal to a wide audience of artists and fans of storytelling by emphasizing the significance of community and shared experiences. A huge amount, which shows that people are interested in the project. The community is excited, and now all we have to do is prepare it. What do you think about that? Put your thoughts in the space provided. Your comment would be greatly appreciated. Click on one of the videos on the screen if you're interested in finding out more. After that, the video comes to a close. Please hit that like button if you found the video entertaining. Also, the comment box is where you should put your thoughts. When it comes to the YouTube algorithm, this is a huge help. Further, we ask that you forward this video to everyone you know. We need to spread the word about this.